Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing very well and enjoying your summer holidays. I'm your teacher Friha and I am teaching you maths. Today we will learn backward counting. So as we go forward, today we are going to learn how to count backward. Here is a boy and he wants to go home back. So how can he go back? He has to count backwards towards his house. So first he'll count like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. For backward counting, we always have to guess the before number. But we have to guess the before number. Like what comes before 5? It's 4. What comes before 4? It's 3. What comes before 3? It's 2. What comes before 2? It's 1. And before 1 is 0. Now we are going to do the reading of backward number and then we will do the activity page. Okay, my dear students, we will learn about backward counting. We are going to learn about backward counting. Backward counting means counting numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. It is also known as reverse counting. It is also known as reverse counting. For example, here we have 6, then we have to go reverse, like 6, 5, 4, 3. We always have to move towards the smaller number. So what comes before 3? Which one is the smallest number? It's 2, and then here comes number 1. Now we have to count backward from 20 till 1. You all have to count with me. It will be great fun. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, count it again with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. We have done counting backward. Dear students, let's do the activity page here. Here we have to write backward counting from 20 till 1. Here we have a caterpillar and he has numbers, but we have to go backward from 20 till 1. So the first number is 20. So what comes before 20? It's 19. 1, 9, 19. Before 19 comes 18. 1, 8, 18. Before 18, it comes 17. Then comes 1, 6, 16. Then comes 1, 5, 15. And what comes before 15? It's number 14. As we are doing backward counting, we are going backward. Okay. So what comes before 14? It's 13. Before 13, what comes? Here comes number 12. 1, 2, 12. And before 12, here comes number 11. As we are going reverse, so what comes before 11? It's 10. We have to go reverse. So what comes before 10? It's 9. What comes before 9? It's 8. What comes before 8? It's 7. And before 7 is number 6. And what comes before 6? It's number 5. Now we are going reverse. So what comes before 5? It's number 4. And then comes number 3. Then number 2 and the Last number will be number 1. Now we have done the reverse counting, the backward counting from 20 till 1. Let's do another activity page. Dear students, let's do another activity page of backward counting. It is a beautiful butterfly who wants to reach the flower, but we have to count and write backward so the butterfly can reach the flower. So here we have number 20. So we are going backward. But we have to count reverse. What comes before 20? It's number 19. And then comes number 18. Before 18 comes 17. Then comes number 16. Then comes number 15. What comes before 15? It's number 14. As we are going reverse, backward. What comes before 14? It's number 13. What comes before 13? It's number 12. And what comes before 12? Number 11. We are going reverse. So what comes before 11? Number 10. And before 10 is number 9. Here comes number 8. Then comes number 7. And before number 7, here is number 6. And what comes before number 6? Number 5. Here comes number 4. Then what comes? Here comes number 3. And before number 3 is number 2. And before number 2 is number 1. Well done, everyone. You all have to practice these pages at home. Allah Hafiz.